Let us now work on getting single product detail. So here I will write the comment accessing single product. Again, I will split this. Same thing, whatever we have done earlier, same thing. I will copy this entire function. I will paste and here I will close this function. Instead of delete product, I will write the function name as get single product. And inside this, we are going to find the product by ID. Same thing, I will copy and here I will be pasting. And if we are not having the product, same, we are simply going to give this message. I will copy and here I will paste. If there is no product, then we are doing early return. We are giving the status as 500 and then we are just simply displaying this message. Now we don't have to update the product. Now we don't have to delete the product. So we will not be using. So I will close. Instead, what I have to do directly, if I find the product, if I'm having the product directly, I have to send the response. If I am not having the product, I have to show this error. So again, I am not going to change the product variable. I will change it to const. And here directly, I will be writing response.status. I will write 200 JSON and inside this, I will be writing success as true and then I'm just going to get that product. Okay, that's it. We don't have to update. We don't have to delete. Directly, we are sending the response if we find the product. And inside that response, we will have this success as well as we are going to have that product. Now again, for this also, we have to access the ID. I will come here inside this product routes.js. In this same route, I'm just going to chain. Now we are getting, so here I will write get request and inside this I will pass this function get single product. As soon as I hit enter, this function will be imported. You can also bring this in 2 lines. Okay, this is our first route, give the space and this is our second route. Now save it, come to Postman, new tab. From here, copy this entire thing. Here I will be pasting. Now I have to get the product. So I will be selecting get request. We have already deleted the product. If I click on send, for this, I will have product not found. I will come to get all products. I will just copy this product ID. And here inside this URL, I'm just going to paste. Now I will click on send. You can see success is through and successfully I am able to get that complete product detail. Now I will come to create new product. This is my product 2. Again, I'm just going to click on send. Product 2 will be created. Now I'm just going to change it to 3. In total, I will be creating 5 products. So wherever I am having 2, first I will give 3. Category, I will be changing it to mobile. Click on send. Product will be created. You can see product 3. Same thing I will do for 4. Click on send. Last product. Click on send. Now I will come to get all products. Click on send. In total, I will be having 5 products. You can also add how many products you need. You can add that many products. I will open MongoDB. Click on this refresh. You can see all the 5 products will be added. And inside this Postman, for this, click on save. Remove this entire thing, right? Get single product. Click on save. Now easily we can see all the requests whichever request is needed, we can easily get that request. And also inside this product controller, for updating the product and for deleting the product, we are repeating the logic twice. First, we are finding by ID, and again, we are finding by ID and updating. So directly, what we can do, I will just copy this entire thing, and this entire logic I'm going to cut. And here I will be writing const. Directly, here I will be checking for the condition. If my product is not found, simply display this message. If the product is found, then simply update the product and send that updated data. Same thing I will do. I will remove this entire thing. I will write here const. If my product is not found, then show this message. If the product is found, then simply delete that product. Two times, we do not have to repeat this entire logic. I will come to Postman. Now, this product is not there. If I click on send, successfully, I am able to get the result. I will give here 8. Click on send. Again, for that, I will be having the result. I will open this get all products. Click on send. I will copy this ID, and inside this, I will paste. Okay, let me give product 3. Click on send. Successfully, my product is updated and I will be having my updated product. Again, I will change back to 1. Click on send. I will be able to update the product. If the product is not found, I will be able to get that response. Same thing, it will be working for delete as well. But as of now, I am not going to delete any product. So in this way, we can reduce the logic. Instead of writing twice, we can only write the logic once.